Hello everyone, it's good to see you again. In today's lesson, we will look at pronouns it, this, that, these, and those. Let's begin. First, let's practice using the pronoun it. We replace nouns that are things with the pronoun it. Let's have a look. This is my balloon. My balloon is purple. Now let's add the pronoun it. This is my balloon. It is purple. This is my hat. My hat is blue. Now let's add the pronoun it. This is my hat. It is blue. This is my backpack. My backpack is under my desk. Now let's add the pronoun it. This is my backpack. It is under my desk. Next, let's practice the pronouns this and that. We use this for something that is close to us, and we use that for something that is far away from us. Let's have a look. This is my hat. That is your hat. This is my bike. That is your bike. This is a cat. That is a dog. This is a house. That is a building. This is a shoe. That is a boot. Great work. Next, let's practice pronouns these and those. These and those are used when talking about a noun that is a thing in plural. These is used for things that are close to us. Those is used for things that are far away from us. Let's have a look. These are my shoes. Those are your shoes. These are my gloves. Those are your gloves. These are flowers. Those are trees. These are spoons. Those are forks. These are shirts. Those are pants. Well done. That will be all for now. I will see you next class. Bye. By the end of this lesson, I know how to use pronouns it, this, that, these, and those. I know the difference between this and that. I know the difference between these and those.